Hey everyone, I'm Vontavious with Vontavious Tech Support. I'm here to show you how to set up a Facebook page step by step. So we're gonna jump right in. So first, you want to navigate over to the menu icon, then select create a page. And for the purpose of this tutorial video, we're gonna do like a sample page. Then afterwards, I'm going to actually revamp one of our new clients, Grind City Solutions. So just to show you how to revamp a page and how it looks after the fact. Because right now they got a good page, but we're going to try to make it better. Let's jump right in. Then you click page. Then you want to find a name that's good for your business. Most people just put their business name, but you want to put something that's related to your brand. Or if you're like an influencer or if you're like a freelancer, just go ahead and put your name or the DBA of your business, which makes it pretty easy. So for the for the purpose of this video, we're gonna do Pineapple Homes. And you want to select the category that's related to your business. Better yet, let's do something different. We're gonna do Pinewood Homes. Then for the category, you want to select something that's closely related to your business. If you're a brokerage, you want to put real estate. It's gonna come up as company. So you want to put one that's related to your industry. Obviously, if you're a real estate investment firm and you just help people sell their homes, you want to put real estate service because you provide a service to people. So for the purpose of this, we're going to put real estate company. And when you do your bio, you want to get a detailed description of what you do. So for example, Pinewood Homes is a real estate brokerage that helps people sell their homes and also provides a premier experience. If you know you're not good with bios, what I would suggest is, go on Fiverr. You can find probably like a good copywriter for about a good $5. Because when you write your bio will be what your potential customer sees, but it's also visible to people on Google because your Facebook page is visible on Google as well. Google, Bing, and Yahoo. So when they search you up, you want to have a credible bio. And now we're going to click next. Okay. Now it's asking for your website. You always want to put a website on there. So for the purpose of this video, pinewoodhomes.com. Here's the insider tip. You never want to put LLC in your website as your website domain because everybody's not going to remember that and it doesn't build your brand long term. So you also want to put a phone number in here. You always want to put the phone number in there directly to Facebook specifications. Then you want to have your company email in there. You want to have something like where they can reach out to you. For example, sales@pinewoodhomes.com. And this is what goes to build your brand as well. Because you want people to always remember your domain and your business name, which are most of the time they're one and the same. So next would be the address of your in this case brokerage. And this is also geolocated. So when someone searches your real estate company on Facebook, when they search it on Google, this address is what you want to pop up. Because Facebook also shows people your your page based on proximity and also based on what you do. So you want to have your location in there at all times. Next, you want to list your hours. If you're in real estate, put always open. That way you can get leads 24/7. But if you're a regular brick and mortar or like a restaurant construction, you want to put your normal hours and you always want to make these as accurate as possible. But if you're an influencer or if you're a freelancer, If you don't have any, if you don't want to list your specific hours, just put no hours available. Okay, perfect. Now you want to find a good profile picture. And you can do this by going to just go on internet search stock photos free. Then it's going to list all the stock photos for you. But for your profile picture, what I'll suggest is put something like a picture of you, a picture of your business logo. Get my next tip, get a professional logo. It goes a long way. It goes a long way into in the future for your brand because people will be able to read it, people will be able to understand it, and people will be able to remember it when they go back to think about your business. But when you're doing the cover photo, it is okay to use stock photos in the beginning because it's what associates with your brand. Now, for your action button, this is extremely important. Your action button will determine how people contact you and how you saturate your leads. Depending on what category you're in, and I'm going to go over why. If you're in the restaurant category, your main areas that you would need to focus on would be start order, contact us, or call now. And the next one, if you're in law, your next thing would be call us or contact us. What you pick will determine how people contact you and how your leads flow. If you're in real estate, it varies. You can decide if you want people to call you, email you, or contact you. You can also have where they do a lead form as well. And depending on what industry you're in, you can also have where you send people to a video, like if it's a video about your business, like say, hey, this is what we do, this is a brief introduction. So when they press the watch now button, it automatically takes them into that video. For the purpose of this page, we're going to do call now. And then if you have a phone number that you want them to call that's different from the number on your page, you can just put the number in, it'll automatically send them there. This is great that if you're more into advanced marketing when you want to do call tracking. Like if you have a number that you want to track calls from, this is great for that. And this is where you can build up your likes. You can invite your friends to like your page before you even fully set the page up. And how you would do that is you would go over here. The easiest way to do it, if you really want to build your likes up, just go over here, select all 1000. Previously, it used to be you could select all your friends list, but Facebook did away with that previously to protect against spam. Because it used to be if a person had 5,000 friends, all they would have to do is go over here to where it says select all 1,000, select all 1,000 friends, check mark, it checks them off easily, send invitation, then it sends it to all 5,000 of their friends. I'm not going to do this, so we're just going to click the X, go back, then we're going to click done. And now you see that we have a good freshly new Facebook page.